yes, coach, to get it back on the net, how you know some of the performance and the result?
Well, I think I didn't see a Mount Pleasant team who want it this afternoon, you know, and we let the Dumby Walling team and we have to fight back, you know. So I think come the next leg we have to do things different.
But credit your team, coach, as we said, it look dismal for you in the end, but you're stuck to the task and kept going on.
Well, again, it's a two-legged game, you know, and we came out with a 1-1 tie. So come for the next leg, we have to go for it.
What do you think you have to, you talk about intensity, what you think you can get every players up for that?
Well, yes, definitely. I think his maintenance and recovery is the order of the day going into the next leg.
Coach, you have a lot of firepower on the bench and on the field. You think there should be more scoring more or creating a lot more in the final third?
Well, again, this afternoon when we brought on Fletcher and a Bygrave and Canberra, then we started to get more up front. I think with Trevante, we didn't create enough. We didn't have support for a Trevante Stewart this afternoon.
Leonardo Rankin, I'd like to score a coach. Is that as a future much over the last season or something? Came up chunks on the
well, this is why we have substitution, you know, for them to go in and make a difference. And Leonardo Rankin going this afternoon and make a difference.
So you're looking for individual performance complex?
Definitely.
As you see first finish, you have seen weak spot in the low ball where they capitalize on?
Well, yes, every team have weak point we can exploit, but it's for us, as I said before, is to get it right going into the next leg.
Coach, don't be all them played on Friday, God. They're playing again this weekend, and then they have to play you after that. Do you think, how much do you think that fatigue will play a toll in the next leg?
Well, again, we don't want to concentrate on what Dumby Walling, because Dumby Walling is it's very tricky if we are to talk about Dumby Walling, because if Dumby Walling get knocked out, then they only have the quarterfinal to concentrate, and they want to give it 110%. So we don't want to spend time and talk about fatigue and all of that. We have a job to do. We just have to go out there come next week Monday night and give ourselves the best.
And did you introduce Bygrave when he did because of how familiar Dumby is with him?
Not really. As I say, we were behind. We think we need more numbers in front, and hence we have to bring on a Bygrave, a Devante Campbell, and a Jordan Fletcher. Well, again, we have to sit and look back on tonight's performance and see how best we approach the next game. All right. Yeah, man.